Yes, student, oxidation state and reactivity of noble gases, noble gases, okay, or atom group element. We have already checked that they are having very high ionization enthalpy. The electron gain enthalpy is with a positive value. They are having complete octet. Therefore, they are what? Non-reactive. These are what? Non-reactive. Okay. Due to stable configuration, high ionization enthalpy, positive value of electron gain enthalpy, positive value of electron gain enthalpy, okay, and least electronegativity, they are what? Non-reactive. Okay, but in 1962, Neil Bartlett shows or observed that when oxygen, okay, reacts with platinum hexafluoride forming a solid O2 PtF6 like compound. Okay, O2 PtF6 like compound. In this compound, O2 shows 1170 kilojoule per mole ionization enthalpy, which is similar to ionization enthalpy of xenon. This is what? 1175 kilojoule per mole. Now student, being the size of xenon is quite big as well, we know that moving down the group, ionization enthalpy decreases. So although they are having high ionization enthalpy, but due to bigger size and weaker attraction force of xenon, its ionization enthalpy is quite similar to the ionization enthalpy of oxygen. Thus, he thought that if the O2 can form compound O2 PtF6, then it is possible. So, he tried to make compound of xenon with what? PtF6, and he succeeded. Okay, he got a compound XePtF6. Okay, it is a red color compound. It is red solid. Okay, red solid. So this was the first compound. After that, many compound of xenon with the fluorine and the oxygen, that is the first most electronegative and the second most electronegative elements are possible, like XeF2, XeF4, XeF6. Okay, similarly XeO3, XeO2F2, XeOF4, like that many compounds were prepared. But all these things happened after the 1962, that is Neil Bartlett. So student, this become one of the MCQ like question, like write the name of compound or the formula of compound or which color compound is prepared first time with the noble gases. Okay, student, again all fluorides, actually the most of the compound is of what? Fluorides, like what? XeF2, XeF4, XeF6, and with the oxygen XeO3, okay, XeO2F2. So many compounds were prepared. Here we are discussing some chemical properties of fluorides of 18th group. Student, fluorides of 18th group act as strong oxidizing agent. This is because the fluorine is most electronegative. So when it reacts with hydrogen, it converts the hydrogen readily into HF. Therefore, it is called what? Oxidizing agent. Like XeF4, when react with hydrogen, it forms what? 4HF. Again, reaction of xenon fluorides with water. Actually, all xenon fluorides reacts with water, but their reactivity is in different form. Like here, XeF2, it hydrolyzed, but very slow hydrolysis takes place, evolving mainly what? Oxygen gas. Like XeF2 plus 2H2O gives 2Xe plus 4HF. But XeF4, it is a unique compound because it hydrolyzed very violently, and after the reaction it disproportionate. That is what? The xenon get disproportionate, means it itself oxidizes as well as reduces. Like 6XeF4, when hydrolyzed, the complete hydrolysis takes place, and on complete hydrolysis it converts into xenon and xenon trioxide. Student, in xenon fluoride its oxidation state is +4, but in xenon its oxidation state is 0, and in XeO3 its oxidation state is +6, which shows that xenon itself oxidizes as well as gets reduced. So this is called the complete hydrolysis. XeF4, F6, not F4, F6, hydrolyzed but very slowly, but again forming a solid explosive. This is xenon trioxide.